Is your dining area. I'll show you how to make the two beds up. First of all, take the backrest out of the way. Then pull the driver's seat forward, taking the headrest out first. Turn the swab around, put it up to the wardrobe, and then put the backrest fully down, making up one full-size single bed. There's two handles to adjust the length of the seats. 1, 2. Once you've pulled the passenger seat forward, remove the headrest and lower the backrest. Take the two swabs off the forward facing seat and pull that seat down. Putting the two swabs back in place. Lowering the backrest into full position with your second full-size single bed.